probably end up dreaming about you. But then again, if I stay up, I might call you on the phone and say that I want you, I need you, or some other lie to boost your ego up. So you come here running, put your hand out the wrong directions and please me, like when we were together, and you said you never leave. It's real until we realize our love is just a daydream. It's real until we realize we're stuck in the clouds on a horse of wings.
To get to know if I could be the kind of girl that you could be down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me.
Hi my loves, and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Alana. I would love for y'all to hit that subscribe button down below so you guys can become a part of the family. And as always, if you're returning, welcome back to my channel. So today we will be installing this wig right here. So this wig is from LuvMe Hair, so thank you to LuvMe Hair for sponsoring today's video. This is just a cute little bob, you know. I love me a good bob wig. I feel like having short hair is just like the perfect thing. So we're just gonna be installing this bob. This is a closure. You guys can see it only goes about here to here. This wig also came pre-bleached and pre-plucked, so I did not have to bleach this wig, and I did not pluck this wig, y'all. So this is literally it straight out of the box. All I did to this wig was wash it. Literally, that's it. So we love that. So y'all, I'm gonna plug in my hot comb so we can get this wig install started. So I just plugged in my hot comb. I think I'm gonna go for a middle part. I don't know, I feel like I've been doing a lot of middle parts, but I don't know, I just love me a good middle part. So I think we're just gonna do middle part today, and this is going to be glueless, and this will be with no baby hairs as well, because I don't know, y'all been really loving my no baby hair looks, and I don't know, it's been growing on me, y'all. So well, first off, let me cut off this lace. So we just cut this lace off. I'm gonna move this to the middle a little bit more. For a little bit of my got to be.